Hello girls, today we will look at the revision about addition, subtraction, and mixed operation of decimals. So please turn your book to page 37. It is the integrated exercise 1 in your book 5C. So question 13. Gavin's house is 2.4 km from Derek's. The distance between Gavin's house and the football field is 8.69 km. Derek rides on his bicycle to Gavin's house and then goes to the football field with Gavin. How far has Derek traveled on his bicycle? So you can see from my diagram, it is 2.4 km between Gavin's house and Derek's. And the distance between Gavin's house and the football field is 8.69 kg. And now the question asks you, how far has Derek traveled on his bicycle? So he traveled from Derek's house to Gavin's house, and then from Gavin's house to the football field. So you can see it is a total distance of 2.4 and 8.69. So we can write this equation 2.4 plus 8.69. And when you do it in the column form, remember to add the 0 so that you can align the decimal points. So the answer is 11.09. Derek has traveled on his bicycle for 11.09 km. Question 14. A bag of cement weighed 50 kg at first. After using 48.65 kg of it, how many kilograms of cement were left? So originally we have 50 kg. After using 48.65, that means we need to use some subtraction. Then we can find the remaining amount of cement. So 50 minus 48.6. So for the column form, this time we need to add 2 zeros in the decimal parts. And be careful when you do the borrowing. So the answer is 1.35. 1.35 kg of cement were left. Question 15. What is the distance between Doris' house and the restaurant? So to find the distance, we have to find the distance between the statue and the restaurant first. That means here. So the distance between the statue and the beach is 5.7, and the distance between the restaurant and the beach is 4.1. The difference between them will be the distance between the statue and the restaurant. And then we have to add the distance between the Doris house and the statue, that is 8.2 km. So the equation is 5.7 minus 4.1. This is the distance marked as the question mark, and then plus 8.2. So here in your column form, you have to do from the left to the right. So 5.7 minus 4.1, it is 1.6, no carrying here. And then you add 8.2, so the final answer is 9.8. Question 16. There was some salad. Fanny ate 0.21 kg, Yvonne ate 0.62 kg, and Peter ate 1.4 kg. How many more kilograms of salad did Peter eat than the two girls together? So you can see from the diagram, Fanny and Yvonne, they ate 0.62 and 0.21 all together. So we have to find the total first. So that is 0.21 plus 0.62. And we need to know how many more Peter ate than the two girls. So Peter ate 1.4 kg. And then we subtract the total amount of the two girls. And remember to put down the brackets. So we do the calculation in the bracket first. The answer will be 0.83. And then in the second column form, 1.4 minus 0.83. And remember to put 0 here. So the answer will be 0.57. Peter ate 0.57 kg of salad more than the two girls. Question 17. Cherry had $16.70, which was $8.90 more than John. And Cherry then spent $7.60. How much money do they have all together now? So Cherry, I used the red bar to represent Cherry. She got $16.70, which was $8.9 more than John. So how much does John have? So John will have 16.7 minus 8.9, and then so 16.7 minus 8.9, this is the amount of John have. And then Cherry spent $7.6. So originally she had 16.7. Now she spent $7.6. So that means we use subtraction. So to find the remaining amount of Cherry, 16.7 minus 7.9. And the question asks you, how much money do they have all together now? So we add up the two amounts for the final answer. So for the column form, 16.7 minus 8.9, it is 7.8. And then second column form, 16.7 minus 7.6, it is 9.1. So we add up these two answers, it will be 16.9. So the final answer is $16.9. They have $16.9 all together now.